Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. About negative s, we can put into 2s minus 3s. This one we can put into s squared plus s squared. This one we can put into s plus 5s. This one we can do about factorization by 2s. This one by negative number 3. This one by s squared. This one by s. This one by number 5. So we can do about factorization by s plus 1. This one by s plus 1. Now we need to simplify on numerator and denominator. Now we can put negative number 1 going here, here and here. So we have the final answer. So we have negative number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.